My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Free drive. Go, baby, go. Skim. Get to skim. Oh my god!
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? We're eating, bud. Oh my god. Come on, look at him.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow? Bagel. Bagel. Did you just wake up from your nap?
All the pretty girls walk like this.
Hey.
No bite. What the fuck are you doing? I caught you red-handed again.
See the lambada? I'll show you the lambada.
What about?
Charlie?
Siéntate. ¿Qué te estás comiendo los tamales?
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Oh my god, I love you so much. You are the best dog in the whole wide world. See? If I go, oh, you're such a bitch. Oh, I fucking hate you, you little bitch. I'm gonna kill you. Oh.
Oh my goodness, you alright?
I'm ready for adoption? Hell no.
It is so painful. Even Appa wants a bit. Go on.
Did you chew that receipt? Did you chew that? Stevie? I think you did, didn't you?
face you make when you see a girl walk in the house with a stank booty?
Sir? Hi.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Where do you go? Right down the road. Right down the road. Oh, right there, the bears. Yeah, or not the bears road. The past that, past the.
Oh my goodness, you alright?
Know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had? I know. It's crazy.
Wait, I just started. I haven't even sung anything yet.
Then when you burn a candle and it doesn't.
Oh God. Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
That's an onion, not a ball. Give it to me. Drop it. Give it to me.
Maggie? Don't be weird. Don't be weird. Be normal. Be normal. Maggie, be normal. Maggie? Don't be weird. Don't be weird.
Starters, 2 subs, 40 minutes, 7 players. I'm only going to play the black players in the final game tomorrow.
Hi, I have an appointment.
Oh, his mouth.
Look at him.
Ate the wings. Who was it?
Quit. Get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that. You wanna go down this hill with me? Alright, let's go. Man, it's so white up here, it's like a sheet of paper, man. So somebody dog fucked me. That's my dog. But
Took the best nap. Hello.
Rocco, go lay down.
you're one ugly little dog.
Understand what I'm saying? Kiss me if yes. Do you think I'm pretty? Kiss me if yes.
God.
Isn't that cute? Did you make one of those?
Make him feel better, Coda. Oh, stinky baby. Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, you're so dramatic, bro. Oh my God! The biggest piece.
Gotcha.
Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Look at that. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
Oh.
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Get the fuck out of here.
Can I get your opinion on the best brand of dog food?
That's my boy. No, my boy.
Oh. Oh.
Is it the outlet? Is it the outlet? Are we yelling at the outlet? What did you do?
Oh, it's okay.
What are you doing?
Alter!
My name is Jeff. Make him laugh. Wow!
Blaze, grab your puppuccino, dude.
This is how we tell her. We just thought the world should see this.
Speak my dog's language.
And record their reaction.
What's on you?
Shopping list: bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Gentle. Gentle.
You haven't even had this toy for an hour.
Hoping we won't be a thing of the past, but where we are today is where I wanna stay.
Another one?
Not to be afraid to really open yourself up to the possibility.
You want to go for a walk?
Stop.
My dog thinks he's a kitty cat, y'all.
Did you bring your baby's baby Grinch? Yeah. Oh. What, Deke?
Sam! Sam! What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy? You look...
Thank you. Oh my god! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
When I get into stuff is you can find stuff. What is it in the world? Is she keep it in her closet?
If you're happy and you know it, say I will. Let's go, kids! Let's go, kids! Please stop.
Quit. Get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
Guess what, baby? I'm about to give you a treat, yeah, and you don't gotta do no tricks. That one's just for existing.
Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho.
eating, bud? Oh my God! Come look at him.
Come on, let's go.
Like,
Hi, Frankie, it's Daddy.
Your mom looks like a dog.
Oh. Maxie, meow. Good boy. Wolfie, meow.
De la cintura y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir en los brazos.
Mercedes, show everyone how you smile.
Tiki! Turn around! Turn around! Tiki, turn the fuck around! Jesus fucking Christ! Oh my God, you're so fucking dumb! Oh my God, you're so lucky I love you!
I gotta do what I want to do.
Oh.
What you doing? We're eating, bud. Oh my God! Come look at him.
Is the vet? Oh yeah, for Sam? Yeah, I'll take her right now. Is she gonna get shot?
Understand what I'm saying? Kiss me if yes. Do you think I'm pretty? Kiss me if yes.
You want to go down this hill with me? All right, let's go. Man, it's so white up here. It's like a sheet of paper, man. So somebody dog. Wait a minute. That's my dog. But
Officer, how you doing? Sir. Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir? Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
go to your kennel. Hey! I'll be right back. Move your nose. Hey, skinny jeans. What are you looking at?
God damn it.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
You're that boy.
Paw. Give me your motherfucking paw. Give me the fucking ball. Paw. Good. Damn, shit. What the fuck? Do a flip!
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marshall. Happy birthday to you.
You wanted to go out, now go. Yeah, I did.
Sam! Sam!
What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy? You look
Pizza.
He has what?
Pizza.
No bite.
And you on the playground?
Mars. She's a 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
Look at this poor dog by himself. He looks so scared and lost. Hey, buddy. Hi. Oh. Bonjour, ça va, mon frère? Bonjour.
Get it.
Would you like a treat? Yeah. Oh, so gentle.
Hi, Mimi. Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
Come here. Come here.
Hi, can I touch you?
No.
Oh, okay.
Cheesecake. Apple pie. Chocolate chip cookie.
Un perrito que te hicieron. Me la voy a llevar. Una.
Hi.
Why can't you be that calm and nice?
This is a little too much whipped cream for me.
Is that a pinky?
Alright, so we just got these in yesterday. And they're still little babies. Should be one under here.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
Oh, get the goods, bud. Oh my God.
We have a cat, and we named it Puff. We named it Puff because of its little tuff. It's been there since birth. What the fuck? Look! What the fuck, dude? Hello! Get the fuck out! Oh my god! What the fuck is wrong with you?
What? What? What do you want? You want a treat?
Mama told me not to, I did it anyway, misbehaving. Daddy said don't, but I said it anyway.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.